Hello, everybody. This is Mike Haru. I'm organizing a workshop on scientific software, the Collegeville 2020 workshop with a focus on developer productivity. And I wanted you to meet the staff. These are the students at St. John's University and the College of St. Benedict who are going to be doing some of the background work, and maybe occasionally you'll see their names appear in Zoom, but I wanted to give you a chance to meet them.
So my name is Jacob. I'm going to be a sophomore at St. John's this year. I'm a math major and I am planning on minoring in computer science as well. And I've mainly been looking into iterative solvers for sparse matrices.
Thank you.
I am also a science student at St. John's, computer science major, math minor. And this summer I'm doing research with Dr. Hro, working on looking into some reproducible workflows in the scientific field.
I'm Nate. As Dr. said, I'm going to be a senior next year at St. John's, studying computer science and also a math minor. And I'm doing summer research right now with Dr. Haru, just working on some machine learning based stuff. And I'm looking forward to the workshop.
Everybody, my name is Alex. I'm a computer science major with a psychology minor. So this summer I've been researching with Dr. Hro on looking at ways to make virtual teams more productive, as well as just looking at challenges. So that's what I've been doing, and yeah, I'm super excited for this this event that we're gonna hold.
I'm Margaret, and I am a rising sophomore at St. Ben's, and I'm working on video editing and improving my skills in software for video.
So just a brief video from all of us to all of you as we prepare for the workshop coming up.